So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, we're going to type in ipconfig /release. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in ipconfig /renew. Click on enter again. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to type in netsh int ip set DNS. Click on enter. And now for the last one, we're going to type in netsh winsock reset. Click on enter again. It's going to tell you to restart your computer, but do not restart it yet till you complete the next steps in the video. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on this. Now you want to select use the phone DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888. And now for the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And then once you do that, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.